I just want to tell you something that I've discovered. I've just asked ChatGPT, and this is, you're gonna love this. I've just said to ChatGPT, if I bought $100 worth of Bitcoin in 2010, what would it be worth today? Well, talk about feel like you've missed the boat, missed the train, etc, etc. The response was, if you had purchased $100 worth of Bitcoin in 2010, your investment would have grown substantially by today, which is what I expected. In 2010, Bitcoin's price was extremely low. For instance, in July 2010, Bitcoin was trading at approximately, are you ready for this? 5 cents per coin. Oh my God, 5 cents per coin, right? Therefore, with $100, you could have acquired approximately 2,000 Bitcoins. As of January 16th, 2025, which is today's date, Bitcoin's price is approximately $99,913. Consequently, your 2,000 Bitcoins would be worth about $199,826,760. Seriously, can you imagine? Can you imagine if you'd invested $100 in Bitcoin in July 2010 and then you left it there? Now, I often say to people, the only way that you could become that super rich by having Bitcoin so cheaply and holding on to it for so long is to either have forgot about it, lost it and then found it, or been in a coma. Because let's face it, if you put $100 in, right, when it got to, when that $100 was worth $1 million, you'd probably cash out, wouldn't you? But what if you held, you said, no, like, do you know what? I'm just gonna keep holding on. And it drops back down again, you think, oh God, then it comes back up and it goes to say, 50 million. I mean, come on, 50 million, that's like ultimate life-changing money, right? Would you have cashed out? Yeah, you probably would, wouldn't you? Let's say you held on and you decided that you were going to go for 100 million. I mean, well, the whole thing is it just blows my mind. If you pick up the 100k Bitcoin system, that's going to give you all the training you need in order to make cryptocurrency without investing. Now, this is a pretty comprehensive resource here. Everything that you could ever want to know is included in here. Plus, there's a ton of video training as well included inside the membership. The other thing is, I'm going to give you those bonuses that I told you about that are worth over $3,000 when you pick this up through me. So the first bonus you'll get is the vendor's very latest release, AMZ Money Machine, which teaches you how to make money from Amazon. Now, you're going to get this main product plus all of the upsells, which is worth around about $1,000. The second full funnel that you're going to get from me today as a bonus is Email Millionaire. Email Millionaire is going to show you how you can make money from your email list. Plus, I'll give you the front end product and all of the upsells, again worth around about $1,000. And the third bonus that you're going to get is TubeCash AI. TubeCash AI not only teaches you how to make money on YouTube, but you get done for you viral videos that you simply upload and make money from. I'm going to also give you TubeCash AI and all of the upgrades, again worth around about $1,000, which means in total your bonuses will be over $3,000. And all you need to do is pick up the 100k Bitcoin system, and there'll be a link below this video. But don't forget, if you grab this new 100k Bitcoin guide that shows you the entire process on getting free crypto, you'll also get those $3,000 worth of 3 full programs, including all of their upsells, completely free on me as a bonus when you pick it up through my link. Okay, all you need to do is click on the link below this video, go through, check that you're cookied to me. You'll see my name, Trevor C, at the bottom. If you hover over the little round person icon at the bottom of the Warrior Plus checkout, if you see Trevor C, then your bonuses will be ready and waiting for you inside your Warrior Plus account. So come on, let's get some free crypto and let's make some money. I'll speak to you soon. All the best.